So over here, I'm in the post section and in the categories page right here. So once I actually come right here, you can see that I got some categories which is associated with posts. So let's say, for example, if I want to view the posts related to the uncategorized categories, then you can simply click on view, and then what happens is that it says category uncategorized, and you see the relevant posts right here for the contents for that particular category, and you can see that all of them gets listed out right here. Similarly, there's the sample category right here, and if I were to go ahead and view, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you see all of the posts related with that particular category. But if I were to go around over here onto entertainment right here and click on view, it says sorry, but nothing was found because no post is tagged on with that category right there. But you can go ahead and tag that out as well. So I'm going to go around for all posts for that, and let's say I'm going to go around onto let's say this particular post right here, and I'm going to go around onto edit, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto its properties section right here, and then I'm going to go to categories, and I can assign more than one categories as well. So I'm going to select entertainment and sample right here just like this, and then click on save. So now once this completes saving right here, so you can see that it is saving, you can go around over here, and let me just go around onto the post section and then go to categories right here just like this, and then you can see that in entertainment section right here I can go around on to view right here just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the category entertainment actually pops up right here, and this is its related post right here just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and then, let's say for example, assign categories right here to posts as well. And now when you create a new post, by default uncategorized is actually set as the default. But what you can actually do is go around onto education. Let's say for example, set this out as default, and now the education category becomes the default category whenever you create a new post. And that is how you can go ahead and view posts associated with categories, and assign categories to existing posts, and even set categories as default inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.